ready to turn those Temu credits into something tangible. Let's break down everything you need to know about withdrawing Temu credits in just 90 seconds. First, accessing the withdrawal option, head over to the U tab typically found at the bottom of your Temu app. This is your personal hub. Once you're there, look for your wallet or credits section, tap on it. This displays your available credit balance. Now, the moment we've been waiting for. Find the withdraw button. It might also be labeled as cash out or something similar. Tap it to initiate the withdrawal process. Temu usually offers a few different withdrawal methods. Common options include linking your PayPal account or directly transferring to your bank account. Select your preferred method. Enter the amount of credit you want to withdraw. Keep in mind that there may be minimum withdrawal amounts. Double-check this amount before proceeding. Carefully review all the details on the confirmation screen, including the amount, the withdrawal method, and any associated fees. Make sure you understand the terms and conditions before confirming. Once you're sure, confirm your withdrawal request. You will likely see a processing message or a confirmation screen. Typically, it takes a few business days for the funds to reach your account, depending on the method you choose. Remember, some credits might not be withdrawable, especially those earned through specific promotions. Always check the terms of the promotion. Also, be aware of any withdrawal limits or fees that Temu might impose, and that is it.